Showing what it's girl, talk to me nice. It's girl, talk to me nice. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. It is Alyssa Nicole back with another video, and today we are going to be doing something completely different. Now, as you can see, we are doing a wash and go, but it's just not any old wash and go, sis. We are going to be using the Curl and Wave Gel Activator from S-Curl. So I just wanted to try this out. Basically, I know this is like an old school product, everybody knows about this. So a little reason on why I am trying this, I was at my grandma's house the other day and she was like, listen, you need to try S-Curl Daily Moisturizer, because I was complaining about my hair being dry, especially for the winter. Y'all, moisturization is on 10. I use this as my daily moisturizer and like I love it. And it's a steal. It's like $3. Like, I'm so excited about it. And the moisture lasts in my hair for days and days at a time. So that's what brought me to trying this. So I was basically thinking, like, if this is this good, then this might have some benefits too, sis. It is supposed to lock in moisture and your girl needs it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's popping. We are going to start in the back. I have washed it, and the only leave-in I have applied is this. So I'm gonna section this in 2 sections. And one quick disclaimer before we get into the styling process. I am going to apply this product by itself before I add any additional styling gel on top of it. And then I'm going to allow it to dry, only because I want to give you guys an actual honest review on this product alone before we add any additional products on top of it, okay? This is what the gel looks like. Now, looking at this, seeing the way it moves, it kind of looks like it is water-based. So let's go ahead and see. As you can see, it's running down. It's not like a stiff gel, like it's running down my fingers. So I can already tell that it's not gonna be a strong coat, not by itself at least. So we're gonna apply a little bit of that. And it's really, really soft. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a slippery gel. Now, as far as it activating my curls, it does do that, but they are kind of frizzy. And like I said, my hair is damp, so that's why I'm not wetting it. I did read that you do have to allow it to dry for the moisture to set in. My hair is very, very frizzy and puffy, so it doesn't weigh down the curls for sure. Okay. All right, you guys, so I have applied all of the product, and as you can see, if you watch my videos, after applying so much product, my hair never looks like this. So this product doesn't really tame the curl. I don't even know how to explain it. My hair is never this big after me applying product to it. Usually they are tamed and sleek and it is laying down, but it kind of defined my curls, but not as much as I was expecting. As you can see, it's a lot of frizz going on. None of them are really clumped together. Maybe that's why it's so big. So maybe I should say that the product doesn't clump your curls, because I think that's why it looks like this. But other than that, this is how we're looking. I do know for sure that my neck is going to be so sticky, because as it is drying, my neck is like sticking. and my hands are very sticky, so I can only imagine how it's gonna be once it dries. My neck is about to be real nasty. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to allow my hair to fully dry, and then I will be back to apply the gel. I don't know whether I'm going to go in with the Eco Styler gel or the Wetline gel. I'll decide when that time comes, and we shall see what the process and the results are like. All right, you guys, my hair has fully dried, and I would say it dried really fast yesterday. But my thoughts on this product is that I really like it. I would not use it by itself if I'm looking for a wash and go to last me a week or a couple of days. I would not use it in that case. But as far as the product goes, oh my gosh, the moisture is there, the length retention is there. What I do like about this product is that it did not shrink my hair. So the part about it, the part about it being a non-shrinking gel, that was true. As far as the hold goes, I wouldn't really use this product by itself unless you want like a one-day wash and go. Like yesterday, y'all, my curls were popping, but they don't last. So my hair was not this pretty yesterday, but my curls were so pretty, y'all. I got so many compliments, but no. So what we're about to do now, enough of me rambling, I'm about to go in and add the gel. Okay, so put that up like that, like so, like that. And I'm currently deciding on whether I want to go in with the Cantu gel or whether or not I want to go in with the Wetline gel. What y'all think? Wetline or Cantu? Now, disclaimer, quick disclaimer, I do not like Cantu products, but I do like this gel. This gel is really good on the hair. It holds my hair and it's very moisturizing, so I don't know. It just don't work on my hair, me personally, so. But Wetline Extreme, I think we're gonna go in with Wetline Extreme. So I'm gonna get a dab of that. And like I said, you can go in with Eco Styler gel, but I'm gonna do this today. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. This right here, this is gonna be nice. I could just tell. It's already showing itself. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit of this. Girl, and how quick it starts, the curls start to reform themselves. It's just baffling me. And make sure you apply it to the roots, ladies. I've been forgetting to do that. All right, you guys, I am back. I had to move from out of the bathroom so y'all can really see my definition. My camera is about to go dead. I hope it does not die. Anyways, let me hurry up and cut to the chase. Y'all, definition is on 10. I'm gonna give it that. I don't know if it was mainly the Wetline gel's doing of my definition and shine, but I do want to say the S-Curl activator is really good as far as moisture goes. I would never use the product as far as it being like a one product wash and go. I would never do that. But as far as it keeping that moisture, that shine, the softness, like, no, X out the shine, the softness is lovely. I do love that about it. So I probably would, you know, try it again. Now the only con I have is the stickiness of the products together. Y'all, my neck is like sticky. That's the only con. And when I do, you know, play in my hair a bit, like when I stretched it my hands were like really sticky. I had to wash them. I do not like that factor. And it may just be the two products together, but like I said, the Jerry Curl is already sticky by itself, and I don't think the Wet Line Gel made it any better. But other than that, I love it. I love my results. Like, I think I would at least get a week out of this wash and go. I'm hoping so. I will update you guys in the description box. But anyways, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.